Hey everybody, it's Prahlad from Web Unraveled. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI Image Generator to create stunning visual with just a simple text prompt. Whether you are a content creator, designer, or just someone looking for unique images, this tool makes it super easy. I'll walk you through step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's dive in. So first go to Canva and then open a new project. So I already opened a project, and then on the left panel here you see apps. Just click on that. Now on the top here, ask for AI Image Generator, and then select this AI Image Generator. Now click on open. Describe your image. Here you can describe your image, which type of image you want. So I already make a prompt, so I am going to paste it. Style, you can choose any of style from here. And then aspect ratio, 1:1, 2:3, 3:2. So like I am going to choose 1:1. You can choose any of them and then click on generate. Now it will take a few moments and it's generated. Now if you don't like this image, then you can regenerate it by clicking here. So after regenerate, or if you like this, then click on add to design. Now it will add to our project and you can edit this image. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out my other Canva video for more awesome tips and tricks. From creating stunning animation to mastering design hack, there's so much more to explore. Click on the playlist or the next video on screen and I'll see you there. And that's it. Now you know how to create amazing AI generated image using Canva's text to image tool. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what kind of images you have created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.